elements and compounds.
Dear students, this is video 23, part 5 of chapter 2, elements, compounds and mixtures for class 6. In the previous video, we learnt everything around us, whether it is gas, liquid or solid, made up of matter. Matter itself made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms combine to form molecules that make up different substances. Molecules can be classified into elements and compounds. Let us learn more about these two. Let's begin with next topic, that is chemical formula of elements. In order to understand chemical formula of elements, let us know the difference between chemical symbol and chemical formula. So chemical symbol of an element represents one atom of the element. Chemical symbol of an element represents one atom of the element. And if we talk about chemical formula, then chemical formula represents one molecule of the element. One molecule of the element or compound. So there is main difference between chemical symbol and chemical formula. Chemical symbol means one atom of the element and chemical formula means one molecule of the element or compound. For example, chemical symbol for the element oxygen is capital O, which represents one atom of the element oxygen or one atom of oxygen. Chemical formula for oxygen gas, or we can say oxygen molecule, is O2, which means in oxygen molecule or in oxygen gas there are two atoms of oxygen. One oxygen atom combined with another oxygen atom. On page number 26, underline, the chemical symbol of an element represents one atom of the element. One atom of the element. And chemical formula of an element represents one molecule of the element. One molecule of the element or a compound. Next we have definition of atomicity. What is atomicity? Write on or underline, the number of atoms present in a single molecule of an element is known as atomicity. The number of atoms present in a single molecule of an element known as its atomicity. Now, if number of atoms in a given molecule is only one, then name given to that molecule will be monoatomic. Monoatomic. Where mono means one. Mono means only one. And if number of atoms in a given molecule are 2, then name given to that molecule will be diatomic. Diatomic. Where di means 2. If number of atoms in a given molecule are 3, then name given to that molecule will be triatomic. Where tri means 3. And if number of atoms in a given molecule are greater than 3, then name assigned will be like polyatomic. Where poly means greater than 3. So the elements which exist as a single atom are called as monoatomic elements. Exist as a single atom. And examples here we have inert gases, that is noble gases, and metals. Inert gases and metals both are monoatomic because they exist as a single atom. Here they have written examples like sodium, potassium, copper, iron, mercury, magnesium and silver. All are metals. And in addition to metals, we also have noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon. Then second, molecules of elements with two atoms are called diatomic molecules with two atoms. And example like we have oxygen. Molecule of oxygen contains two atoms and its molecular formula, or we can say chemical formula, is O2, capital O2. So that's why its atomicity is 2 because it contains two atoms. This oxygen molecule is formed from two atoms of oxygen. One atom of oxygen when combines with second atom of oxygen, then we will get one molecule of oxygen having chemical formula, you can see here, O2. Next example of diatomic molecule is molecule of hydrogen. Now, when one atom of hydrogen combines with second atom of hydrogen, then we will get one molecule of hydrogen having chemical formula, you can see H2. So in hydrogen molecule we have two atoms of hydrogen. So that's why we can say molecule of hydrogen contains two atoms. So its atomicity is 2. Other examples of diatomic molecules are like chlorine with chemical formula Cl2, atomicity 2. Nitrogen, chemical formula N2, atomicity 2. Bromine, chemical formula Br2, atomicity 2. Iodine, chemical formula I2 and atomicity 2. Because all these molecules contain two atoms. Next, triatomic molecules. An example we have ozone. When three atoms of oxygen combine, then we will get one molecule of ozone having formula O3. O3, capital O3. Now, here we have three atoms of oxygen. So, therefore, this molecule is triatomic. Three atoms are called triatomic molecule. And molecule of elements containing more than 3 atoms are called polyatomic. More than 3 atoms. Example, phosphorus. In phosphorus molecule, there are 4 phosphorus atoms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when 4 phosphorus atoms combine, they form one molecule of phosphorus with chemical formula P4. So here we have 4 atoms, or we can say greater than 3 atoms. That's why molecule is known as polyatomic molecule. Next we have example of sulfur. Sulfur is also polyatomic molecule because symbol of sulfur molecule is S8. So here we have 8 atoms and accordingly atomicity is 8 and molecule is polyatomic. Next topic we have chemical formulae of compounds. Chemical formula of compound means the symbolic representation of molecule of a compound. Underline, symbolic representation of a molecule of a compound. And this we know that the molecule of a compound contain atoms of different elements. Different elements chemically joined together. First example of molecule of a compound we have sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride molecule is formed by joining one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. And its formula is NaCl, capital N small a, sodium, chloride means chlorine, capital C small l. So when one atom of sodium combines with one atom of chlorine, then one molecule of sodium chloride is formed, that is NaCl, and this NaCl is compound, or we can say molecule of a compound. Second example is of water molecule. The formula of water molecule is H2O, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So when two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen, then one molecule of water is formed. So here we have oxygen in the center and surrounded by two hydrogen atoms with formula H2O, two hydrogen, one oxygen. Same way, the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2, two atoms of oxygen and one atom of carbon. So when one atom of carbon combines with two atoms of oxygen, then we get carbon dioxide molecule. In carbon dioxide molecule, carbon is surrounded by two oxygen atoms having chemical formula CO2. Now, here we have chemical formulae of some compounds along with their constituent elements. Constituent elements means the elements from which compound is made up. So, the very first compound is zinc chloride. From the name, we can came to know that zinc chloride is made up of zinc and chlorine. And the chemical symbol for zinc is capital Z small n, and for chlorine it is capital C small l. Same way, nitrogen dioxide means this compound is made up of nitrogen capital N and oxygen. Dioxide means oxygen, capital O. Next, calcium oxide means this compound is made up of calcium and oxygen. Oxide means oxygen. And chemical symbol for calcium is capital C small a, and for oxygen is capital O. Same way, here we have ammonia. Ammonia is made up of nitrogen and hydrogen. Symbol for nitrogen is capital N and for hydrogen is capital H. Next we have nitric acid. Nitric acid is made up of three atoms or three elements. First element hydrogen, symbol capital H, nitrogen, symbol capital N, and oxygen, symbol capital O. Then iron sulfide. Iron means made up of iron having symbol capital F small e, and sulfide means made up of sulfur having symbol capital S. Then aluminium chloride, made up of aluminium and chlorine. Symbol for aluminium is capital A small l. For chlorine it is capital C small l. Then calcium carbonate. Calcium means made up of capital C small a, calcium. Carbonate means carbon plus oxygen. And symbol for carbon is capital C, for oxygen is capital O. Then copper sulfate. Copper means made up of copper, capital C small u, and sulfate means sulfur plus oxygen. Symbol for sulfur is capital S and for oxygen it is capital O. Now we will write chemical formulae of all these compounds. Firstly, zinc chloride. Zinc chloride is made up of one zinc atom and two chlorine atoms. So therefore its chemical formula is ZnCl2. 1 zinc, 2 chlorine. Nitrogen dioxide. Di means 2. So this nitrogen dioxide is made up of one nitrogen atom and two oxygen atoms. And accordingly its chemical formula is capital N, capital O, 2. NO2. Calcium oxide. Made up of one calcium atom, one oxygen atom. Chemical formula capital C small a calcium, capital O. Ammonia. Made up of one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atoms. So chemical formula is capital N, capital H3. Nitric acid. Formed from one hydrogen atom, one nitrogen atom and three oxygen atoms. And chemical formula is HNO3. One hydrogen, one nitrogen and three oxygen atoms. Iron sulfide. Made up of one iron atom and one sulfur. Formula is capital F small e for iron and capital S for sulfur. Aluminium chloride. One aluminium atom and three chlorine atoms. So formula is capital A small l for aluminium and three chlorine atoms. Calcium carbonate. One calcium atom, one carbon atom and three oxygen atoms. So formula is calcium means capital C small a, carbon means again capital C, oxygen means capital O and three oxygen atoms means we can write 3 over here. Then copper sulfate. One copper atom, one sulfur and 4 oxygen. Symbol for copper is capital C small u. Sulfur, one sulfur, capital S. Oxygen, capital O. How many oxygens? 4. So write 4 over here. Next we have description of few elements and compounds. First compound is ozone. The element oxygen is normally found in the form of diatomic molecule with formula capital O twice, that is O2. But in upper layer of the atmosphere, a molecule containing 3 atoms of oxygen is found and is called ozone, having formula O3. Ozone is pale blue in gaseous state and deep blue in liquid state. It has sharp irritating odor and produce headache. Next is sulfur. Sulfur is non-metallic element and is found in sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid having formula H2SO4. 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atoms. Sulfur is also found in sulfide minerals like cinnabar and galena. Cinnabar means mercury sulfide. HgS. Hg for mercury and S for sulfur. Galena means lead sulfide. Lead means plumbum. Symbol is capital P, small b, and sulfide means capital S. Sulfur is also found in H2S gas. Hydrogen sulfide. Next, hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gas and hydrogen atom is the only atom that has no neutron, only proton and electron. Molecule of hydrogen is diatomic and occur in large quantities on the surface of sun and stars. Then iodine. Iodine is non-metallic, lustrous, solid element and is used in medical treatment as tincture and iodoform. Iodine is also added to common salt and is also an ingredient of tablets that are used for the purification of drinking water. Iodine can be found naturally in air, water and soil.